There are many features that help you position your widgets efficiently inside of the Experience Builder layout. One such feature is the snapline and distance values that appear as you drag your widget onto the canvas. As you can see, snaplines allow you to easily find the exact center of the page. When the horizontal and vertical snaplines are both dashed, that's when you know you are centered in both directions. You can also see the distance values that appear, which tell you how far you are from each edge. When I center this map widget, my bottom edge starts about 24% up the vertical length from the bottom of the page, while my left edge starts just under 34% along the horizontal distance from the left edge of the page. If you use the snap lines to snap a widget to the direct center of the page, you will find that it remains in the direct center for any screen size. In addition, if you use the snap lines to snap the edges of two widgets together and align them exactly, this means that their edges will remain snapped together and in alignment for any screen size. If you've enjoyed this video, please press the like button below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for content updates.